Hello guys, and welcome back to the reaction zone. In today's lesson, we're going to solve the question on the board of electrolysis. And the question is as follows. A current of 5 amperes is passed through molten aluminium oxide for 40 minutes. Calculate the current efficiency if 1.08 grams of aluminium is actually produced. Now, to solve this particular question, we'll start by itemizing the parameters that we're given. Now, current is 5 amperes. And the time is 40 minutes, which is 40 times 60 convert to seconds, and this will give us 2,400 seconds. The question is telling us to find the current efficiency, and we're given the mass of aluminium that is produced to be 1.08 grams. 1.08 grams of aluminium in this question represents the actual mass of aluminium that is produced. So, the actual mass of aluminium is 1.08 grams. But to find the current efficiency, we don't just need the actual mass, we need the theoretical mass. So, it means that we need to get the theoretical mass as well, which we do not know at the moment. Now, the atomic mass of aluminium is 27. We know that aluminium ion is trivalent positive, so it is going to accept 3 electrons to give us aluminium. So, since the charge on aluminium ion is +3, it means that the value of N is 3. So, the theoretical mass is simply going to be MIT divided by NF. And this is going to be 27 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2,400 divided by 3 times 96,500. And this is going to be equal to 1.12 grams of aluminium. So, the theoretical mass of aluminium is 1.12 grams. Now, what this means is that when a current of 5 amperes is passed through molten aluminium oxide for 40 minutes, that the mass of aluminium that is expected to be deposited is 1.12 grams. But according to the question, the actual mass of aluminium that is produced is 1.08 grams. So, to find the current efficiency, it is simply going to be the actual mass divided by the theoretical mass times 100. And this is going to be 1.08 divided by 1.12 times 100. And this is going to give us 96.4%. So, the current efficiency, if 1.08 grams of aluminum is actually produced, is 96.4%. So I want to believe that the explanation and the solution to this question is clear. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next lesson.